Hey everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so in today's video, I'm so happy to have my first Dollar Tree DIY haul of the new year. So of course, this will be for Valentine's Day, so I have a bunch of stuff for you guys. It is great, and also a side note, Dollar Tree has raised their prices from $1 to $1.25, but that's not true for all the stores. Some of them have not yet had the change to $1.25, so some are still $1, so make sure to check your local Dollar Tree just in case. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Last year I was able to hit 100 for a brief little bit, so I'm really grateful for that. Thank you guys so much for helping me hit my New Year goal. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So as tradition on this channel, I always start with the signs I got. Now these are all wooden signs from Dollar Tree. Not all Dollar Trees have the same stock, so it depends on your Dollar Tree and what is in your area. So first, they're very glittery this year. I got this cute Valentine's Day wooden wreath that have some really cute hearts. They say stuff like "Be Mine," XOX, Happy Valentine's Day, and I think that is really cute and stylish, and if you are a DIYer like I am, you could totally do so much with this. Another thing that there is, similar to a lot of holidays, they've had these mason jars because that's pretty trendy. They had them for fall, they had them for Christmas, and now they have them for Valentine's Day. So I got this one that says "Love you to the moon and back" because I think that is just so cute. The tops are all galvanized metal, and even the printing on these are way better quality than they used to be. They used to be half printed, some of them are hanging off. They're really nice and even, so that's really cool. And these even have a back hanger that can be removed with a staple remover if you just want to lean it up against a wall instead. Now another thing they had was this cute little envelope. Now you may be like, it looks okay. It has some buffalo check, but I really like the fact that you could pull out this little thing that says "Follow your heart." So I feel like that's a really cute way, like if your kids exchange Valentines, or if you give Valentines to your kids, I feel like this is a really cute way to do it. So that is a really cute thing. They also had these little, almost like giant gift tags, but they say XO. So I think that's cute. It's buffalo check. They have them in pink, red, and black. So love that. They also, as usual, have really like vertical hanging signs that are long. This one says "Love," and it is gold, red, and white themed, which I think is really cute, although I don't really like that L because it looks like a candy cane. But again, if you're a DIYer, you can totally fix this up. And the last kind of ish sign, it's not really a sign, but I want to include it, is this very cute shadow box. There's some 3D hearts in there, and it says "Date Night." Now again, if you're a DIYer, you can take this to the next level, but I'm so fine with leaving this exactly how it is because it is super cute. Now what's something about Valentine's Day that you see it and you immediately think Valentine's Day? Roses, right? Well, Dollar Tree normally just has some rose petals that you can sprinkle about, or if you have the time, you can come up with a DIY for it. But this year, they came out with these really cute felt and paper roses. So these are the paper roses they have. They're all sparkly and glittery, and I think they look super cute. Sorry for the glare. But I absolutely love these. I think they're really cute. They look really trendy and almost vintage in a way. So I do recommend getting some of these before they're gone, because once they're gone, they're not coming back for a while. And then they have foam roses. I saw these at my local dollar store in this creamish white and red. I'm not sure if they have any pink, but check the website because they might. I will link the website down below in the description. They also, of course, have their normal roses. Now, there were a few different kinds when I went. So they have these darker red ones, these lighter red ones, and these smaller light red ones. So there is a lot to choose from. It isn't too big of a difference, but you can tell it is. Like, these are some of the older ones that I bought earlier, and these are some of the newer ones. So you can already see how that change from $1 to $1.25 is impacting the outcome of how these all look. So it's not too bad. Now, Some other stuff they had that was a really cute find is this velvet ribbon. Not only is it very soft, it looks very nice because it is velvet. They have it in black, red, and white. And it is, I think it's a yard. Yeah, it's just 1 yard for $1 or $1.25. For it being velvet, this is pretty good. And it is a higher quality than normal because of that price increase. Now, something I was very excited for because I am a baker. I like to make brownies and banana bread and all that. They had these really cute silicone heart molds, which are perfect for baking. I can take them out of the package right now. Especially for people who may work with like resin or make candles. These are perfect for that. They are flimsy, because again, it is silicone, but they have packs where it's 2 pink and 1 red, so you get 3 for $1.25, which is pretty cool because you can normally find these in like a pack of 5 for like $5 at like Home Goods or Target. I think they have some similar at the Target dollar spot for like $3. So I honestly say this is worth it. And now they also have these really cute candle holders that are shaped like hearts, which I am obsessed with. They have them in white, pink, and red, the normal Valentine's Day colors. So I think this is cute and you should totally scoop one of these up. And the last Valentine's Day thing I have to show you guys, well, decor-ish wise, leading into the next segment, are the cards. Now, I actually got this one for my boyfriend, so hopefully he's not watching this, but they have really cute cards. The Hallmark cards, now, the expression ones are $1 each, while the other ones they have are 2 for $1. Well, $1.25 now, if that's how it works now. But yeah, I totally recommend looking out for these. They have glitter. They look really nice and high-end. So for $1.25, it's not that bad. That's around how much they cost at like CVS and stuff and Target. So I do recommend that. Now sadly, at the Dollar Trees I went to, they didn't have the little Valentines that you could hand out to all your friends that you normally did when you were in elementary school and such. They did have some sports-themed ones, but that was about it. But they do have a lot of little goodies that you could give to your friends as well. So, for example, they have these cute little stamps that are really cute. They come in a pack of 8. There's little hearts, hugs. I know the trucks are really in, so they have a little truck with a heart. You rock. They're really cute, platonic, and perfect to hand out to your friends. Similarly, they have these cute little paddle balls in packs of 6. So they have some really funny puns on them, like "You're Rexcellent." There's some dinosaur ones. So these are super cute and really funny to hand out to your friends. And even if you did like them, they have these stickers, and these come in a pack of 18. So these are for even more people. So if you have a kid in a class of around 30 or something, you could get 2 of these, and boom, you have their Valentine gift. And these are super cute. There's some sloths, some hedgehogs, some cats. And lastly, for the little goodies, there are some pencils. These come in a pack of 12. They have really cute designs on it, some sparkly, some very sparkly in pink, some more stripes, hearts. Love all those. And then one of my favorite things that I saw there are these little twin packs. They just have them labeled as fuzzy friends. These are so cute if you have a best friend and you want to share it with them. So like they have one where it's like, I don't know if they're like raccoons or dogs, but it's like me, you, some little bears, best friends. I think that might be a monkey. Some frogs, friends forever. And then some either bunnies or dogs that just say BFF. They're really soft, cute, really like, you just want to like squish them all day. I think those are super cute. And also, you can't have Valentine's Day without having some boxes of chocolate. Now these, they're all the same. 1 caramel, 1 strawberry cream, 1 orange cream, 1 cocoa truffle, and 1 chocolate caramel. Says it all on the back. But they have some really cute designs. Like they have the generic rose one. They have some fun ones. I know there was one that said Game On. They have ones for like different interests like video games, princess, basketball, baseball. Super cute. So I do recommend getting these if you have a special someone you want to give it to. And they do have a bunch of Valentine's Day themed candy. So here's a little cutie that says cool dog, and I'm a pun person, so I love this. This is super cute. Then they have a lot of cute Sour Patch. So these are hard Sour Patch, those little love candies. And they even have little gummy Sour Patch hearts. So those are just so cute. They even have, you know, those candy bracelets, little chocolate hearts, the little candy lollipops, all of that Dollar Tree has you. They even, in the Valentine's Day section, have little bags of candies, like these are kisses. They had other little chocolates, they had malt balls, they had everything. That is so cute. If you have that special someone you want to get some goodies for. And so some more cute Dollar Tree stuff they had were these little containers. They're a pretty hard plastic, so like you can see, I can't squish it. And they have cute little messages on the lids, like sweets for you, baked with love, and nothing could be sweeter than you. So I think these are super cute. It's 2 red, 1 pink, which seems to be the pattern for a lot of the Valentine's Day Dollar Tree merch that comes in 3s. So I do recommend picking up some of these. They're really cute to fill with candy, and it'll make some really cute Valentines. Now that is all the Valentine's Day stuff, specifically Valentine's Day stuff I have to show for you guys. There's a lot more on their website. Like I said, I will link it down below in the description. But now I will show you some other stuff I got in my haul that isn't necessarily for Valentine's Day, but can be used for Valentine's Day. So Dollar Tree always has candles. I'm always obsessing over their mason jar candles. And for the season, they had cranberry sage, which smelled really good. That's why I got it. And it is even a reddish color, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. You can always melt them, put them in those silicone wax molds, or just light it. It just smells really good. I love their mason jar candles. And then you can clean them out and use them for other stuff like I've been doing. So it even doubles as a later storage unit. So those are fun. And I've also brought these on here before, but I bought some more. The little Dollar Tree wooden crates. They are pretty sturdy, they last a long time. I have mine sitting on my desk holding some of my pencils and craft supplies. So if you need something for organization, I do recommend getting these. And they even make a cute way to store some of those goodies if you are putting together a little Valentine's gift for a friend. So, also super cute. And along with their wooden items, I've now seen them have bigger wooden items. So like they have this giant wooden circle, which honestly is pretty cool. It's like, it's not like sturdy, like it's flimsy where I can bend it, but it's not gonna break immediately. So like, if you're a crafty person and you know what you're gonna do with this, I do recommend getting it. Now, recently, I have been getting the nail polish at Dollar Tree. So this is actually a new color. It's a greenish, like tealish color, which I really liked. I have been using their nail polish recently, and it's pretty good. For $1.25, you get a lot of uses out of it, and you only need like 2 to not even 3 coats, depending on like how dark the color is. Do recommend them. And now, also check the, I guess you would say, Dollar Tree rejects, because sometimes there's merchandise that is broken or not to its fullest potential, so they put it aside. But sometimes it's like, you just want it for the frame, or you want it for this. So it's like, if you get a frame and the glass is broken, it's like, oh, it doesn't matter, I just need the wooden part. Or, you know, vice versa, if you're painting glass and you just need the glass. Well, actually, that is where I found these. It was a pack of 2 that I got for 50 cents, where, like, the frames themselves are just a little flimsy, but that's perfectly fine with me. I'm not sure if they were supposed to be connected because they're taped together, but Dollar Tree reject for 50 cents that honestly isn't really that broken. I don't really see anything wrong with it. Now this is something, I'm not sure how long it's been at the dollar store. I think it's been there for a few months, but I thought they were really cute, especially for Valentine's Day. LED flower lights. They last about 2 hours. It says 120. Oh no, 120 hours. So that is a lot longer than that. It's 60 hours each. They have an on-off switch and a flickering effect, which I think is pretty cool. Actually, let's test it out now. Let's see. Ooh. So I guess they're like multicolored. Ooh, flashing, watch out. So it's more of like a party light. Let's see if the other one's the same. Oh, so yeah. They're both the same. White flowers with multicolor flashing effect. That's pretty cool. That matches well with my LED lights. And so the last thing I wanted to show you guys is one of Dollar Tree's buckets, but it's actually not what you would expect for me to get. So they came out with some new colors and buckets, more warmer tones, but maybe a little cooler. There's some like darker colors to kind of go with like the transition from like winter to this more like reddish toned holiday. Because I know we just came out of Christmas. So I don't know how to describe it, but I got a popcorn bucket. They are very flimsy, but I feel like they're really cute. Like if you want to make a movie night basket, that's super cute. And they're pretty big. Just specifically these popcorn buckets. They even have a smaller one that's like half the size, like this way. For it's 2 for $1.25. So these are super cute, especially if you just need some big storage, because a lot of the Dollar Tree baskets are more rounded and they look nicer but don't hold as much. So this is perfect. If you wanted to get this, you could just give it a coat of spray paint and then boom, you have a big bucket. And yeah, perfect like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite Dollar Tree product was down below in the comments. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. I have 2 Valentine's Day DIY videos in store for the future, so make sure to keep an eye out for that. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload those videos. And yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to have fun crafting.